Hi, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary. I'm making some Christmas cards today. I'm going to be just doing these same types of cards using the same products, two different ways. I'm going to be switching the colors. What we are using is we're using Peaceful Seasons. We're using Peaceful Evergreens. I'm using the bundle, Peaceful Evergreen bundle, and the dies. I'm also using the Painted Trees 3D embossing folder. We are using olive green, 8.5 by 5.5. We have cut out some cherry cobbler. This is 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. We've run those through the stamp cut and emboss machine. We are using for ink, we are using garden green, old olive, and cherry cobbler. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to grab the first card we're going to make. I am going to score the 8.5 by 5.5 at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. We're also got 2 pieces of Whisper White. This is 4 by 5 1/4. So we're going to just put this down like this. Where's my, there's my bone folder. And we're going to make it like this. Just a small accordion fold card. I'm going to attach this. I've already run this piece through . So I'm just going to add that this piece right onto here. I'm going to take one of these. I've made these. I've done this with old olive and garden green. And I'm just going to stick that right on here. So I'm going to just put some Stampin' Seal on one side and connect that there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the trees here. I'm going to put a little bit of old olive on them. And then I'm going to just go around and put some garden green to give it a little depth. I'm putting that on the top, just like that. I am going to take this one into old olive again, and a little bit of garden green. Rock and roll. I'm going to stamp that. Then I'm going to take the Peace and Joy and cherry cobbler and stamp that right like that. There we go. It's always so hard to start this. And I'm just going to insert that there. And one card down. Second cardstock I'm going to take, and I'm going to do, let me put this all around so I don't get it on my cardstock. I'm going to take it and I'm going to score at 2 1/8 on both sides. 2 1/8, then do a 180 and 2 1/8. Just going to fold that just like that. And fold that like that. Now these I made 3 of these. All you have to do is take a 4 by 5 1/4, and then you'll just cut them apart. You can put that piece of cardstock in through and just cut it apart. And you've got actually 3, so you can make 2 cards out of just one of those. And again, it doesn't really matter. You're just going to center it on these little flaps, just like that. I like doing cards different. Going to be trying some other, I've seen some other ones. And again, I'm going to take one of the larger ones, and again, just on one side, I'm going to put just like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing I did before in the middle on the piece of Whisper White. And doing a little rock and roll here. Let me put this down a little so you can see it a little bit better. And put that up towards the top. Oops. Got a little, we know how to do that. That's the reason why you have 2 sides to every piece of cardstock. I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to do the big tree. I know it's kind of early for Christmas cards, but I like to get my Christmas cards done early. And I'm going to not have to have such a heavy hand with my, there we go. And again, and there you go. 2 quick, beautiful cards for Christmas. Follow me on YouTube, and thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.